Hello and welcome to my channel and welcome to this series of video about the RHCSA exam, also called the EX200. Why they give some names like this, I don't know, but this is how they do it at Red Hat. The exam apparently hasn't changed for a while. There are some different little minor variations between the version 8 and now version 9 and 9.3. I passed the 9.3, but I've seen kind of what's changed in the version 10. It's really minimal. So I could have passed the version 10. I passed the exam like 2 months ago, and it's really minimal what they changed. So you don't need to worry much. There is something that I had when I studied, for instance, it was this Stratis, but you don't need to worry about this. Anyway, if you want to pass the exam, just follow through my videos. You don't need much anything else. If you just follow the videos, you do the exams, you do the labs, and you like prepare really good for each task, each topic, and you listen to my videos, you should be good to go. It's just important you set up your little home lab with VirtualBox and Vagrant, just like I suggest you in the first video, and you can use that throughout the entire section. So if you see, I have just those two VMs. This is what I'm using, and I have here SSH set up on both. This is explained how you're supposed to do it in the first couple of videos, in the first one, 00, and in lab 02. You also need to do 1A and 1B in order to get access to it, but you can do either 1A or 1B. This is why they are named like this. Sometimes you get some videos which are named A and B. This is because it's optional, one or the other. I have the same, for instance, at the end also for the reset root password, which is a very important part of the exam. If I can give you any tip, start maybe with the beginning there, but as soon as possible learn this bit about reset the root password, because this is something mandatory. I will make another video for the tips, but I'm already giving some tips here. It's okay. If you go through my videos, you should pass almost with certainty the exam. I mean, if you do the labs, you need to do the labs and feel comfortable doing them without my help, without the help of anything. No Google, no ChatGPT, nothing. Just go through the labs, do them correctly. First, you can do them. I would suggest you do each and every one of them with my help, and then you do them alone on your own, without any help. Learn how to use the man pages, but yeah, I won't give so many tips in this video. It's just an introduction video to the whole series. I hope you have fun with my video. I hope you learn good. I made it in a relatively efficient manner, and that way you won't need to spend so much time to learn for the exam, especially if you're already a sysadmin and you just want to pass that exam to like have better credentials. For me, it was more about learning the basics again. Like, it's always good to go over the basics and to build on that. So thanks to what I did here, I hope you have a good time. And if you have any question regarding the labs, if you can't manage to do anything, feel free to contact me in the comments. I will respond. I don't get many comments yet, so it's okay. It's just starting. I'm just starting the channel. Maybe if at some point I'm too successful, I won't manage, but I think it's fine. Basically, my idea is just to give up back to the community. I like Linux and open source, and it's nice if I can give back the things I learned in a good way that people can use also. I will make different videos, but this is my first video series, and I'm happy to do this one. It's quite a bit to learn about this exam because you have a lot of topics to cover and you need to know them well. But seriously, if you follow through these videos, at the end of the exam you will have 1 hour left because you will know everything you need to do, and you will just be like, oh, okay, I will just check everything one more time, and then at the end you will have half an hour left and you will leave the exam with confidence that you passed easily. I just made one mistake over the whole exam, and that was for the last question. I explained at the end of the video why I made this mistake. It's a pretty tricky part. But the rest is pretty fine, and you should be fine if you go through my videos. So have fun and see you in the other videos. I won't be showing my face in the other videos. I just did this one introductory one so that you know who I am. I am also a system engineer, sysadmin, and I enjoy my job. I'm learning every day something new, trying anyway, and I hope you also learn with me. Have a good day and see you in the other videos.